How to install GoToMyPC on host computer. GoToMyPC is a software that allows you to access and control your computer from anywhere with an internet connection. To install GoToMyPC on your host computer, you can follow these steps. Go to the host computer that you wish to access remotely and log into your account at www.gotomypc.com. Click the plus at this computer. Button at the bottom of the My Computers page. Click the Install GoToMyPC button and download the GoToSetup.exe file. Open the GoToSetup.exe file and follow the prompts to install the software. Enter your GoToMyPC account email address and password, create a nickname for the host computer, and create an access code for this host computer. You have successfully installed GoToMyPC on your host computer. You can now access it from any other device by logging into www.gotomypc.com or using the GoToMyPC app. Learn more. 1. How do I reinstall the GoToMyPC app? GoToMyPC support.